Hello, I'm going to be going over how to put in recognitions for the Rekognition app for the digital control centers. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the main landing page. So you can hit that by going to VEPC landing page, www.go.ford.com/VEPC landing page. So you hit enter and it'll prompt you to select a plant. So you can go through, select your plant. I'm going to be doing test for this demo in here, so I'm going to hit submit. And then the Rekognition link should be set up at this point if you're seeing this video already. So you're going to go ahead and click into this Rekognition links in here. And we got two things in here: Rekognition tracking and Rekognition picture board. So Rekognition tracking is where you go in and you submit your recognitions to be able to document them, and then the Rekognition picture board is going to be like a display. So if you put pictures into your Rekognition tracking app here, it'll be displayed on the Rekognition picture board. So if you don't put a picture, it'll filter it out of the main display, but that data will still go into the Power BI dashboard that's attached to it. So let's go and put a couple records in. So I'm going to hit Rekognition tracking, and I already put some test data in here, so that's what you see down here. Let's go ahead and add. We'll do test 1, 2, 3, test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. And then we can drop down to put a recognized manager. So we got Crystal Ball from Department 1, and their area manager is Caramel. And then down here we have number of people recognized. So down here, if you had more than one person recognized, you could put a number in here, and that'll be used for counting in the Power BI dashboard. So let's say we were recognizing 5 people in this picture, and I'll put this guy in here. We'll hit OK. Now that one's saved. We're going. Let's put 2 more records in. Let's name this one 2, 3, 4 all the way down. So now I would say this is just in time from Department 2 with area manager Paige Turner. And we'll say this is one person. We'll put another photo in. We'll go with this guy. And we'll do a third one just for good measure. So again, I'm just putting some dummy data in here. This time it'll be Souffle from Department 3, area manager Will Power. Let's say there were 3 people with this one. And let's put this photo in. So hit OK. If you want to go through and edit any of these, if you had a typo or something, you can click into any one of these. It'll by default show you a read-only view. If you want to edit it, hit the edit button up there. You can go through, change any of this. Hit OK, and hit a slow back button to get back to the main menu. So now we're going to go back to the main Power App landing page. So I'm going to hit this back button here. It'll reload this and click back into the Rekognition links. So now we can go to the Rekognition picture board. So we click on this, and it's going to pull everything in for your plant that has recognitions in it. So by default, it shows everything from all the departments, but we do have a drop down here that you can filter for specific departments. So if you only want to show test Department 1, Department 2, or Department 3, then you can do that and filter in on that if you want to pull it up in the individual zones. You can get back to everything by hitting this little blank one at the bottom. So another thing to note, I don't have this one filled up, but you can have just about 30 recognitions on here. And if you have more than that, every 30 seconds, the top row will drop off and a new row will come up from the bottom. So it's almost like everything gets bumped up. So over time, it'll start filtering through all of the different recognitions that you have. So now you got this little data button up here. It's a little Power BI dashboard that just has some more information if you want to see where there might be opportunity to better do recognition. So this first page is just a table view. It'll show you the area managers, and it'll have month by month and a total in there. So I only got a little bit of sample data in here, so the tables are a bit small. You have another tab down here that's visual by month, so you can see, hey, take a look at recognitions by team manager, by area manager, by department, and just overtime in general. You can also get a table view so you can see the verbatims and what people were recognized for. So that's everything in terms of putting in recognition, taking a look at it, and looking at some summarized data about it.